In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a simple chatbot template onto Fleek, directly from the Fleek CLI. Fleek recently launched support for dynamic Next.js, allowing you to build and deploy interactive, server-rendered applications seamlessly. Their chatbot uses server-side rendering to make real-time API calls to OpenAI's API. It receives responses and displays them dynamically. Before we begin, let's go over the requirements. You need to have a Fleek account. You need to have an OpenAI API key. You need to be running Node.js version 18 or above. You need to have the Fleek CLI installed. You need to have the Fleek Next adapter installed. The first step is to head over to Fleek website to create an account on the Fleek platform. Once your account is ready, we'll install the Fleek CLI and the Fleek Next adapter. These tools will help us deploy our dynamic Next.js application onto Fleek. Once your Fleek account is set up, the next step is to install the Fleek CLI. Open your command terminal by going to your Windows search bar and type terminal. When it opens, run the following command in your terminal. Once the CLI is installed, we'll install the Fleek Next adapter, which is essential for building and deploying our dynamic Next.js application onto Fleek. Run this command in your terminal. Once the installation is complete, head over to GitHub, clone your repository, and install all dependencies. Open VS Code, install the required dependencies, and set up your environment variables. If you don't already have an OpenAI account, create one and generate your API keys. Once you've set up the environment variables and added your API keys, run a development server to ensure everything works as expected. Our chatbot is finally ready. Test it to see if it works perfectly. As you can see, our chatbot works perfectly. The next step is to build the application using the Fleek Next adapter. Head back to VS Code and run the following command. This command will build your entire Next.js project and prepare it for deployment on Fleek. Before deployment, we need to create a Fleek function. Run the following command. Add your name function. For this video, I will be using chatbot for my function name, but you can replace chatbot with the desired name of your function. Now that the function is created, deploy the application using the following command. Your chatbot has now been successfully deployed to Fleek. Take a look at your deployed application to ensure everything works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully deployed your dynamic, server-rendered chatbot application onto Fleek. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and share it with a friend.